I'm Anthony, and this is my 350 per second friend, the M16. That's out. This is my pistol. It's 400 feet per second, and it takes CO2. That's out.
Oh.
Now let's check these cans out. Apparently this root beer can just got obliterated. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that thing. Let's look at this one. It's okay. There's only 2 holes.
Done by me.
Yeah, it's done by the cameraman. He's a noob, but he's getting pretty good at it.
I hope.
This can didn't really get hit. No, I didn't at all. It's still in perfect condition. Alright. He's getting really close. Oh, he hit it. Oh, I got it again.
Over.
I'm still rolling. Let's go in and inspect.
Oh, I did a number out of this fence here. Especially those little. Oh, there's still some beads in there.
That's a lot of metal BBs in this fence. Gonna have to dig him out.
Alright, let's see what it does. It's okay for an amateur like me.
Yeah, it's okay.
Help me out here.
Oh, forgot my safety mask. When you're shooting guns, never forget your safety masks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you did him. Jesus Christ, yeah.
Maybe I should get the one that's on the floor as well. And that's my probably 390 feet per second friend right here. Oh man, I did do some damage to that wall and this can. Not as impressive as a little can, but this can is kind of destroyed, as you can tell. That's my M16 for you.